Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your Mailchimp audience is getting a bit out of control, or if you're just looking for a way to segment your contacts more effectively, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to organize your Mailchimp audience like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create custom groups, so you can easily reach the right people at the right time and give your email marketing a serious boost. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. You'll land on your dashboard, and from here you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Audience. This is basically your command center for all your subscribers. It might take a second to load up if you've got a big list, so hang tight. Now, once you're in the Audience section, you'll notice some options at the top. Look for Manage Audience, or sometimes a More Options button. Mailchimp's interface can shift a little, but it's usually up there. Click on that, and from the drop-down you'll see something labeled Groups. Go ahead and select that. Groups in Mailchimp are super handy because they let you organize your contacts based on interests, locations, or any other category you choose, sort of like sorting your contacts into little buckets so you can talk to each group differently later on. Now you're at the Groups page. Take a moment here. Mailchimp will list any groups you've already got, but since we're making a new one, look for the Create Groups button and click it, here where the magic starts. Mailchimp will now ask you to pick a group type. You'll see a few options: checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down, and hidden. Each one is a little different. For example, checkboxes let people pick more than one option, while radio buttons limit them to just one. For this tutorial, we're going to use radio buttons. Think of radio buttons like ordering pizza, where you can only pick one topping per slice. It's a great way to make sure each contact fits neatly into only one group category. Go ahead and select radio. Next, you'll see a section labeled Group Category. Think of this like the title of your group. What are you organizing by? For this example, let's say you want to group people by city. In the Group Category box, type in Place. That keeps things tidy and clear for you later on. Under Group Options, this is where you list the specific groups within your category. We'll start with just one city, so go ahead and type London. If you wanted to add more cities down the line, you could do that right here too. Double-check your spelling, and when you're ready, click Create Group. Mailchimp will save your new group setup just like that. Alright, great, now we want to actually add people to this new group. Head back to the main audience page by clicking Audience in the menu. From here, pick the specific audience. In Mailchimp speak, that's your subscriber list that you want to work with. Now near the top, you'll spot an option labeled Group Contacts. Click this and you'll get to choose the group you just created, in our case, London, under the Place category. Pick the contacts you want to add to this group, maybe everyone whose location is marked as London or whoever you like. Then move them into this group by clicking on Add to Group, and don't forget to hit Apply to make it stick. Sometimes this part can take a few seconds if you have a lot of contacts, so don't worry if there's a little pause. And just like that, you've neatly organized your Mailchimp audience using groups. This technique gives you so much more power when it comes to sending targeted emails or even setting up automations later on. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Mailchimp groups or other email marketing tips, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.